In this video, we will talk about how to fix Smart App Control blocked an app that may be unsafe. Step 1. Turn off Smart App Control. Click on upside arrow. Double-click on Windows Security. Click on App and Browser Control. Then click on Smart App Control Settings. Turn off Smart App Control. Click on Yes. If you see "Are you sure?" pop-up screen, then simply click on Yes, I'm sure. Don't worry about the warning. We can turn it on. In our next step, you can now install the application that was previously blocked by Smart App Control. Step 2. Turn on Smart App Control. Right-click on Start. Select Run. Type Regedit and press Enter. Click on Yes. Expand H key local machine. Then System. Then Current Control Set. Then Control. Then CL. And select Policy. Double-click on Verified and Reputable Policy State. Change the value data to 1 and click on OK. Let's open Windows Security and check Smart App Control. Here, you can see it's on. So that's how you can fix Smart App Control blocked an app that may be unsafe. See you in the next video.